Happy birthday, Sir Roger! More birthday pa! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Hi, Roger. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Sana palagi kayong masaya with Sam and kids. God bless you. I miss you all.
Happy birthday, Pops! Roger Raimonde. More blessings to come. Ayan naman pag ininang sobra. Kasi mga isa pa. Okay? God bless, brother. Love you, mama. Chup chup.
Brother Roger, happy birthday more blessings to come. Saka lagi kang mag-iingat sa laro. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Roger. Bilang teammate mo, salamat sa mga pasa mo at tiwala sa laro sa akin. Hiling ko lang, good health at marami pang panalo sa laro at sa buhay. Enjoy lang, sir. Maligayang bati.
Happy birthday, Boss Roger. Stay healthy. God bless you and your family. Ingat palagi.
Magandang araw. Binabati ko pala yung kasama ko sa basketball, Idol Roger Seguira Raimundi sa kanyang ika-46 na kaarawan. Happy birthday sa'yo, Idol Roger. God bless at sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo at ingat palagi.
Brother Roger, happy birthday to you. Sana magkasama pa rin tayo sa isang team. Sana mabuo pa rin yung young ones natin, pare. Alam mo naman kung sino yung mga original, tayo yun. Wish ko lang sa'yo is makapaglaro ka pa ng mas matagal, iwas sa injury, tsaka laging healthy. Ingat lang palagi pare sa paglalaro, sa family mo. God bless always, pare. Happy birthday, pare.
Brother, happy birthday. It's another year. May you have good health and may all your wishes come through. Happy birthday, brother. Don't
Happy
sing.
26th birthday, Todd. Halaan mo yun. 46 ka na pala. Pero parang 45 na. Joke. Wishing you more blessings. Good health. Happy Sam. Fam. And happy life, Sam. Sana hindi sumasakit ang likod mo today. Para todo ang celebration. Magkain ng marami para sa amin. Enjoy your special day, bro. Have a blast.
Sige.
Happy birthday, Roger! Sana ay marami pang birthday ang abutin mo. Love you.
Happy birthday sa pinakagwapong uncle from Katubig, Northern Samar. Sa pinakababoritong abayaw ni tatay. Happy birthday, Uncle Roger. God bless you always. Greetings from United Kingdom.
Hi, sa mo, Uncle, nga pinakagwapo. Happy birthday, Uncle Roger. More birthdays. God bless you and good health always. Lolo Ninong, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Ninang.
Day, happy birthday kay Lolo Roger. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Ninang.
Sigurado.
Well, happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Wish ko sa imo ta kayong kapasin mo pingalawas and drama pa nga birthday and ganda. God bless and keep doing what you're doing and unta maging happy ka always. Ganda.
Sige. Happy birthday, Sir Roger. Stay healthy and more blessings to come. Pagi mo kang bata, walo. Salak atod sa batita.
Ay, hello bayaw. Mas mundo kingalimot to eh. Yan nabot lang sa biyahe. Birthday mo na ngayon, oy. Happy birthday. And taga na punta si lara mo pa nga birthday nga. Maupay nga lawas kay para basketball ka. positive. Jadi yo. Orang pak partner, orang pajera. Itikangan ko na dahil may mo birthday kay orang pa kami dito. Inulat ko ang iba nga magkaabot ako niya diyo. May kami nagsuman. Dito bayaw. Happy birthday. Dugang nalat sa ni Mimo. Pangidaron. Kunta. Di ka magbagungan. Maging maupay ka pero sa di kasi tao. Bisa na nung sa Korean laban lang. Laban lang. Kay di rin permanente ang panahon na kung may puri, may magkatabasan. Sanglit. Kung ano man ang mga pinagdadaanan taniyan, laban lang. Happy birthday! Hindi na. Para pa pagkakaabot. Sige, bayaw.
Birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, Uncle. Sana maging magpapalo sa trabaho mo. Hindi ko lang kami. Love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Roger. Hindi na kayo magkinalabas sa Mimi sa among greeting sa rin. Adila kami para sa inyo. Sa
Happy
tanan na
birthday,
oras.
Manoy! Ang superstar namin! Happy birthday! Alright!
Happy birthday, little brother! Wishing you a day filled with happiness, laughter, and all the things you love. May God bless you with good health, success, and endless opportunities. Always remember that no matter how old you get, you'll always be my little brother. Enjoy your special day and stay awesome. Love you!
Happy birthday, Manoy. Wishing you good health, happiness, and lots of blessings. Have a wonderful day and an amazing year ahead.
Magandang gabi po. Ako nga po pala si Robert Awit, tumatayang ng BS Accountancy 2022. Maligayang pamasko. At happy birthday dito.
I see. Go, 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 go.
Kain po ng pansit, pampahaba ng buhay. At masaya.
Happy birthday, Tatay. I hope you're very surprised with what we did and lahat ito ay idea ni Mommy. I just want to thank you for coming into our lives because you brought back the happiness into my mother's eyes, my sister's eyes, and my brother's eyes. Ano ba? Thank you so much for everything and for the patience. And I hope that ito na yung family. Happy birthday, Tata. I love you. Ayusin ko kasi.
Happy birthday, Tatay! Thank you for everything! Happy burger, Tatay! Happy burger, Tatay! Happy burger, happy burger, happy burger, Tatay!
Happy birthday, Tatay! Thank you for everything.
Tatay. Happy birthday, Roger. Sana marami ka tayong birthday darating. Okay? Okay. Okay.
Roger, may God bless you on your special day. Happy birthday.
Roger, happy birthday! Nagunubi naman laksay mo nakinhini mo.
Dear Tatay, maraming salamat sa pag-intindi, pagmamahal, at sakripisyo mo sa amin. You're the best, Tatay. At You're the best talaga sa lahat. I love you always and forever. Salamat. Happy birthday. Don't change, ha?